Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys kung paano i-achieve yung very natural na makeup look for everyday. Okay, so let's start. First, I'm gonna put this brightening makeup base. Ito yung mag-hold ng makeup mo guys, and magbibigay sa iyo ng bright look. Like Merry Christmas. Wale, anong Merry Christmas? And this primer guys is from Sensai. But if you don't have Sensai, okay lang. Any primer will do guys. See? Very glowy agad ng skin ko, di ba? Tada! And kaliligo ko lang pala, so excuse my natural wet look here. Next, let's use this luminous sheer foundation. Very lightweight lang na foundation to guys. Like BB cream and CC cream kasi meron siyang correcting pigment na green and red. So which means mako-correct niya yung dullness, yung redness, yung ugali mo guys! Let's try it. Diba? Parang wala ka nitong nilagay guys sa mukha mo. Okay. Oh, diba? Parang wala kang nilagay na foundation. Pero at least na-enhance yung complexion mo. Yan. See? Tiri! So, next, kilay. Because kilay is life, di ba? Okay. Yan. Brush muna natin yung kilay natin, guys. I love this brow powder, guys. This is from Anastasia. In shade dark brown. Ang tagal ko na itong ginagamit, guys. Siguro mga 10 years. Just! And this brush is also from Anastasia. Konting brush lang guys because I like my eyebrow to be natural. Yung kitang-kita pa rin yung buhok kahit na nilagyan mo ng something. And tip lang guys, pag nag-eyebrow ka pala, huwag kang hihinga. Kasi guys, yung pulse mo, sumasama siya sa pagguguhit mo ng eyebrow. So, mas mabuti pag stable. Huwag ka muna huminga for like 10 seconds. And usually, kiniklin ko ng concealer yung mga edges ng eyebrow ko guys. If wala ka naman concealer, okay lang. Pwede naman din yung foundation mo or CC cream or BB cream. Doesn't matter. Ganito siya guys. O, diba? Mas malinis siya. Brush. And, naglalagay ako ng eyebrow gel. Ito ay from Ciela. Sobrang ganda din guys kasi na-hold niya talaga yung